Welcome to a tutorial on how to accessing the group and grouping page in Moodle. In this video, we will show you the location of group and grouping function in the newest version of Moodle. First, click My Courses on the top right corner. Then select the courses you wish to create group. To access group and grouping function, click Participants. Lastly, click on the drop-down menu located below the 6 buttons. Here is where the group and grouping function located. If you desire a detailed understanding of how to utilize the group and grouping functions, we recommend visiting our YouTube channel or watching the next video in our series.